we are. Let's see, today is Monday the 22nd of February. We're looking at the E-Mini S&P 500. We're looking to put on a trade. I've had a couple real small trades today, down about $50 on the day. If the market within this 3-minute bar can actually touch and fill us at 40 3/4, we'll be short at 40 3/4, okay? There we go. You saw it, 40 3/4, got filled at 40 3/4. And all we're looking for on this trade is a 39 3/4, 1 point profit. 39 3/4. Let's see if we can quickly get that. So again, it went short at 40 3/4. We're looking for a point. And one of the gauges on how I decide profit target and stop loss is the ATR, average true range. And what I look at is I look at a 4-bar ATR. So the bar prior to the setup bar, which was right here, look at the ATR in my box. ATR is only 1 full point. We're actually looking to make 1 full point. I typically look for a half of ATR as a first profit target, but since the volatility is so small right here, I'm looking for a full ATR on this. So again, we're looking for the market to come down to 39 3/4. 4 contracts, that'd be $200 on this quick trade. Let's see if we're able to get it. Okay, now remember, this was a setup bar. We're using the high to key off of. Market opened up lower, obviously, because it closed on the setup bar at 1940. Okay, look at that, right back down to it. So we made a quick, just 1 point. We're flat now. So now we're up 150. So again, earlier in the day, I was just trading 2 contracts here, 2 contracts here, down a little bit for the day. Took this trade 4 contracts and close that out for a quick 1 point profit on 4 contracts. That's $200, as you can see that right in here. And I'm going to stop the video. And if there's another trade at some point today, I'm going to try to record that as well. So again, market's not very volatile today. I mean, if you take a look at these 3-minute bars, we have very small ranges, 75-cent ranges on the 3-minute bar. The setup bar's range is a bit bigger, but not much, only a 1 3/4. And then the bar that actually got us filled here, a 1 1/4. So let's just see. We'll have another setup, okay? If this can move up higher and take out these highs and close in the top quarter, we'll have another setup to go short. So what I'm going to do, since it looks like we may get a setup, I'm going to pause this video and see if we... All right, I am back, and the market's set up again. So we are short on the high of the prior bars. High, 42 3/4, 42 3/4. We're looking to take half the position off at 41 3/4, which if you take a look at that ATR on the 4, it's now almost 2 points. So we're just going to use 1 point, right? Half of 2 is 1, so we're going to use 1. So we're going to take off half at 41 3/4. Okay, our initial catastrophic stop on this is going to be 45 1/4. Okay, 45. We need to do 4. 45 1/4. All right, there we go. 45 1/4. 2 here, and let's go. The other profit target of 2 points, we'll use a full ATR of 2 points. We'll go 40 3/4. Okay, down here. Now, if our first profit target is hit, we're going to move our stop, our catastrophic stop, to above this high. Okay, so let's just launch this. Got our profit targets. Again, if this profit target 41 3/4 is hit, then I'm going to go ahead and move that initial stop down to whatever, and I'll explain that to you in a minute. Let's see what happens. All right, I am back, and as you know, we are short this market again, right, at 42 3/4. We've been in here quite a while. The market's pretty much flatlining. The initial stop loss was at 45 1/4, but what I'm going to go ahead and do now is I'm going to bring my stop down to above the high that's already in play, which is today's high, 43 3/4. I'm going to go to 44 1/4. And I'm going to bring this down to 44 1/4, because chances are, if the market comes up at this point, okay, and takes out these highs, I don't want to be there anymore, so I'll save myself a full point. Okay, so again, first profit target's right in here. at 41 3/4. Second profit target is 40 3/4, and my stop is just 2 ticks above the high of today of 43 3/4. Again, we're kind of creating a ledge here, right? It's consolidating. As you can see, that ATR is really shrinking too. Oh, look at that. It's a 0.6. It's not even 3/4 of a point. The last 4 bars. So it's tight, and when this market starts to trade back again and get some volatility, we're going to see some movement, I believe. So again, I'm right above the high of the day. So we'll see. I'll pause the video and come back as things get interesting. All right, I am back again, and we've been in this trade for quite a while, actually. So I'm going to wait just a hair longer. If we're not able to come down, I'm just going to scratch this trade and take every order out of the market and just pretty much just scratch it. We've been in this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times 3. All right, 24 minutes practically, and very indecisive. So if this market moves higher and takes out the high, we're probably going to move much higher. What I'm going to do here is, let me just go ahead and take this off, take this off, take this off. We have no orders. Let's just close it out. Close this position. So as you can see, look at this. We took this to even. Okay, we got filled at the market. It's even. You see that line even. So we're up only 150. Again, small trades. I'm going to watch this to see if we do in fact come back down to 41 3/4. So that's it. It was more of a time stop on this. Market typically either takes us out with a loss or hits at least the minimum profit target. Probably, I would say, within 6 to 9 minutes, 90% of the time. And so the market is just flatlined. So I flattened it out. So hope you learned a little something from it. Have a great day. Bye.